Meaning of HTML.
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 HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language used to create web pages and applications. HTML uses various tags and attributes to define the structure and appearance of content on a website. Web browsers interpret the HTML code and display it as a web page to users. HTML is an essential component of modern web development, and understanding it is necessary for anyone interested in creating websites or web applications. In short, HTML is the backbone of the Internet, allowing users to easily view and interact with content online.